Hi children, today I am going to revise the subject science. What I teach you in the 1 and 2 classes. The first lesson is living and non-living things. In the previous class, I revised the syllabus 1 and 2 classes. I revised the lesson of living and non-living things. Today, I am going to introduce you hard words of this lesson. Hard words of this lesson. Hard words means the words in the lesson. Hard words. What are there in the hard word? What are there in this lesson? I am going to explain you. First of all, I keep 200 pages book, one single rule book for your revising the syllabus. You can write everything, science, social, maths and everything, whatever subject you want to write for the first class. You have to write in that. All the homeworks you have to write in that 200 pages book. Okay, look here. First one, Human, human being. INGS, human beings. Once again, spell children. HUMAN, human being. INGS, human beings. Once again, HUMAN, human being. INGS, human beings. 2 in the margin. Come on. Second one, ANIMALS, animals. ANIMALS, animals. Once again, children. ANIMALS, animals. Third one, PLANTS, plants. What are these children? PLANTS, plants. Once again, PLANTS, plants. Fourth one, living. Once again, living. Once again, living. Next one, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Once again, aeroplane. Sixth one, mountains. 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 Seventh one, AROUND, around. AROUND, D. Around. Once again. A. R. O. U. N. D. Around. Eighth one. R. I. V. E. R. S. Reverse. R. I. V. E. R. S. Reverse. Once again, children. R. I. V. E. R. S. Reverse. Ninth one. N. A. T. U. R. A. L. Natural. N. A. T. U. R. A. L. Natural. N. A. T. U. R. A. L. Natural. Tenth one. P. R. O. D. U. C. E. Produce. Come on, children. P. R. O. D. U. C. E. Produce. Once again. P. R. O. D. U. C. E. Produce. Come on, children. These are the hard words for the first lesson. These are the hard words for the first lesson. Human beings. Human beings. Animals. Animals. Plants. Plants. Living. Living. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Mountains. Mountains. Around. Around. Rivers. Rivers. Natural. Natural. Produce. Produce. Okay, children? You can spell nicely, no? Whatever I have written here, these are the hard words of the first lesson. This is, today I am posting these hard words as your homework. So you please read out, spell out and write 5 times in your book. Whatever book 200 pages I told you to keep in in that book, you have to write this homework. Today I will post you in the WhatsApp these hard words. So children, I am rubbing the hard words. Okay, you can learn the hard words now. Now coming to the next one, question and answers. Next one is question and answers. Question and answers. For living and non-living things, today I am writing the question and answers. Hard words already completed now. Question and answers. Here, first question. Name 2 living things. Name 2 living things. Name 2 living things. I already told in the lesson now, 2 living things means what? 2 living things means they will take air, water and food. What are those, children? What are those? I already explained in the lesson now. Human. I am writing the answer here. H-U-M-A-N. Human. B-E-I-N-G-S. Human beings and animals. And animals. I already explained it to you in your lesson now. See, name 2 living things. Human beings and animals. Human beings and animals. Living things too. Living things, human beings and animals. Coming to the second question. Second question. Name 2 non-living things. Non-living things. You know, I already explained in the lesson. Non-living things. Non-living things. I already explained in the lesson now. What are non-living things? What are non-living things? Name Name two non-living things. They cannot take food. They cannot drink water. They cannot take air. So these are they are called non-living things. Non means you have to think of it. They won't move from one place to another place also. Okay. Non-living things, table and chair. Table and chair. Table and chair. Name two non-living things means table and chair. This table can drink water. This chair can eat food. They can move from one place to another place. No, without the help of us, they cannot move from one place to another place. Next, third question. Name two natural things. Name two natural things. Name two natural things. Name two natural things. Natural things means we cannot prepare them. They are formed by natural. So these are natural things. Once again children, question. Name two natural things. Natural things I already explained you. What I explained? Mountains. M O U N T A I N S. Mountains and rivers. Mountains and rivers. M O U N T A I N S. Mountains and R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Mountains and rivers. The last question is fourth question. Name two man-made things. Man-made things. Man-made things. What man-made? What man-made? Those things we have to write. Name two man-made things. Answer for this. Man-made things means A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane and car. This aeroplane is made by man. This car is made by man. So name two man-made things. Man only can prepare this aeroplane. This is not a natural thing. So man-made things are aeroplane and car. Once again I will explain you the questions. Okay? Name two living things. Human beings and animals. Name two non-living things. Table and chair. Name two natural things. Mountains and rivers. Name two man-made things. Aeroplane and car. These are the questions of first lesson. Okay, children. These are the questions of first lesson. Now I am going to give you the blanks of this lesson. Now I am going to give the blanks of this lesson. Okay. Blanks of first lesson. Blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill them. What is this, children? I already explained you in your lesson. First lesson, living and non-living things. I explained you. Now this is a table. Dash is a Table is a dash thing. Table is a dash thing. What is this? This is a table. It can move from one place to another place without man help. It cannot move from one place to another place. It will eat food, it will drink water, it will take air. So it is a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. Okay, second one. Next one. What is this, children? This is a cat. Cat is a dash thing. What is this? This is a cat. If you give milk, it will drink milk, no? It will eat food. Dash is a living thing. What I have to post here in this blank? Living or non-living thing? It is a living thing because it takes food. It can take water. It can breathe. So it is a living thing. It is a living thing. Live. Next. What is this, children? This is a ball. Ball. You play with this one, no? Ball. You know very well. You play. Dash is a thing. Ball is a dash thing. Ball is a. Ball can drink water. Ball can eat food. So it is a living or non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. Non-living thing. Okay, children. Come on. Coming to the next one. What is this? What is this? This is a fish. This is a fish. Fish is a dash thing. Fish is a dash thing. It lives in water. Fish lives in water. It is a living thing. It is a living thing. Fish is a living thing. Okay. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. Living thing. Okay. What is this? Once again I am explaining you blanks. First one. This is a table. Table is a dash thing. Table is a non-living thing. Okay, this is cat. Cat is a dash thing. It is a living thing. Ball is a dash thing. It is a non-living thing. Fish is a dash thing. It is a living thing. Children, these are the blanks for the first lesson. These are the blanks for the first lesson. First lesson, okay, once again come on, spell the first lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Please, children, do the homeworks in the 200 pages book. We'll post in the WhatsApp. What homeworks we have posted? You have to write neatly. Very neat writing you have to write. Okay, children? Thank you, one and all. In 200 pages, single rule will be there, no? The book will be like this. Lines will be like this. Single rule means it will be like this. Single rule lines. In this book, if I give you around, you want to write the spelling of around. A-R-O-U-N-D. This is the correct way of writing. A-R-O-U-N-D. Like that you have to write. You have to write 5 times for the homework. 5 times for the homework. A-R-O-U-N-D. After this, you have to leave online and again start. Next one, aeroplane. Like that you have to write. Aeroplane. Number 2, aeroplane. Like that you have to write. Okay, children, leave online after the hard word is completed and write again. Very neat handwriting you have to write. All these you have to spell and write, read and write. While you are writing, you have to say in the mouth and write A R O U N D around like that. You have to spell and write. You have to spell and write.